Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be looking at how we can create custom frames using an app from Canva. Canva has this app called the Frames, which we can use to create custom frames. Okay, I'm going to choose this photograph and I'm going to remove all the unnecessary details that I do not want. I'm going to make a frame of this silhouette, so I don't want any other details. I'm going to remove all the unnecessary items. Okay, I'm going to save this as a separate file. It's a PNG file, so it will be transparent. Okay, once that is done, just give it some time, let it download. What we need to do is go into the apps folder, right in frame, and there is this app called image to frame. Click on it. From here you just accept or get. From here you need to choose your file which you have downloaded just now, and once that comes in you need to add frame to design. Okay, let it load. Okay, so this is here. It looks very weird, but I think it is there. It's just that we can't see it in this white background. Let me try that again. Okay, just convert image to frame. So yeah, so the image, it's been converted. It's just that we can't see it in this background. I will change the background color over here. Right, so this is our custom frame. This is very pretty. Now let's go ahead and fill this custom frame with some colors or some image or whatever we want. Okay, so I think I'll just go for multicolors. Okay, let's choose one of these and see how it turns out. Once you bring it to the frame, it actually automatically takes the shape of the silhouette. We can adjust accordingly by double clicking, and it changes accordingly. So this is a very cool way of creating your own custom frames, but they have limitations. So if once you hit the limitation, you need to go into their website and then you need to upgrade your plan. Okay, just read through, and if you're interested you can go ahead and click here to learn more. It will bring you to this website. It has a lot of custom frames which you can upgrade and use, and they also have a video explaining their process. If you want to create your own process without this, we also have I've also created a few videos on how you can create custom frames. Do check them out. I will leave the link in the description box below, or you can click on one of these videos over here. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.